Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing Silene peach blossom. Sow outdoors where they ought to flower. Prepare the ground well. Rake to a fine tooth before sowing. Sow 3mm, 1/8 of an inch deep in rows 30 12 inches apart. Growing instructions: when large enough to handle, thin the seedlings out to 6 inches apart. Can also be sown September to October, overwintered for planting out the following spring after all risk of frost has gone. 80 seeds in here. So what I can do instead of direct sowing, this is what I like to do. Save your toilet rolls up the inside of your tubes, fill them with compost like so, and then all you do, this way you can plant them wherever you want. If you've got a space that you want some plants to go into, you can go in that space. You're not stuck with having to direct sow them where they are. Right, let's have a look at these and show it. See, not a bad size. I'll try and get a couple in each one. I'll do it this way. You can also give them away if you want to. The compost I'm using is a peat-based compost. It's also got so much feed in it, so it'll help them over the first few weeks. There should be a few more here. Yep, just enough to do to the end. Yep, nearly there. Nearly there. Right, just a few more and we're done. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Always this as well, when you get to the bottom of the seed packet, you always get something stuck in the corners. That's the one. That's it. That's them done. All you need to do then is just a bit of compost over the top, like so. Water them in, as I'll show you now. Yep. Get the watering can. Right, that's them all sown, so I shall put the name tag in there. All we need to do now is give them a little bit of water, don't get mad, just so, because I'm in the greenhouse. I would normally soak these from the bottom, but because I'm in here, I haven't got access to a kitchen sink, so just gently, bit of water in the top. You'll see when it gets damp enough, the sides of the tubes will start going a darker colour. If you've got any questions how to grow these, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day. Thank you very much. Bye.